Luxury motorhomes offer the ultimate combination of comfort, convenience, and style for travelers on the road. These homes on wheels provide all the amenities of a traditional home in a compact and mobile package, allowing for endless possibilities of adventure and exploration. Number 1. Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo is a luxury motorhome that redefines the meaning of travel and style. The exterior of the vehicle is sleek and futuristic with its aerodynamic design and high-tech features. The Palazzo is equipped with a state-of-the-art entertainment system, a fully equipped kitchen, and a luxurious bathroom. It also boasts a spacious living area with a retractable roof that offers an unparalleled view of the surrounding scenery. The motorhome features a king-sized bed, a built-in closet, and a dressing room, ensuring maximum comfort and privacy. The Palazzo's performance is equally impressive, powered by a 600 horsepower engine that can reach speeds up to 93 miles per hour. With its cutting-edge technology and luxurious amenities, the Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo is the ultimate way to travel in style and comfort. Number 2. Valentino Rossi VR46. It is a luxurious and stylish motorhome that offers comfort and convenience for travelers on the road. It boasts a sleek exterior design and a modern interior with high-end finishes and amenities. Inside the motorhome, you'll find a spacious living area with comfortable seating and a fully equipped kitchen. There are also 2 bedrooms with comfortable beds and a bathroom with all necessary facilities. Additional features of motorhome include air conditioning, a generator, and a satellite system for entertainment. It also has a garage area for storage of motorcycles and other equipment. The VR46 motorhome is a great choice for those who enjoy traveling in style and comfort, and it provides a luxurious home on the road for motorsports enthusiasts. How amazing is that? Number 3. Marathon Coach Luxury RV is a stylish and comfortable home on wheels. Its sleek and modern exterior is sure to turn heads, while the interior is filled with high-end amenities. The living area is spacious and includes comfortable seating and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The kitchen is fully equipped with premium appliances, and the dining area is perfect for meals with family and friends. The master bedroom features a king-size bed and plenty of closet space, and the bathroom has luxurious fixtures and a large shower. There's also a second bedroom with bunk beds for guests or kids. The RV includes a washer and dryer, a central vacuum system, and an outdoor entertainment area with a grill and refrigerator. The Marathon Coach RV also has a powerful engine and top-on-the-line suspension, making it comfortable and stable on the road. Number 4. Augusta Luxury RV is a top-of-the-line fifth-wheel RV that offers luxury and style for comfortable travel. It boasts a sleek exterior and a modern interior with high-end finishes. The living area is spacious and includes a state-of-the-art entertainment system, while the kitchen is fully equipped with premium appliances. The master bedroom is a luxurious retreat with a king-size bed and a private bathroom, and there's a second bedroom with bunk beds for families or friends. Additional features of the Augusta include a washer and dryer and an outdoor entertainment area with a grill and refrigerator. The RV also features a powerful engine and a top-of-the-line suspension for comfortable and stable travel on the road. Number 5. Newmar King Aire Luxury Class ARV is a luxurious RV that's designed to offer the ultimate travel experience. It has a stylish exterior and a powerful engine that can handle all types of terrain. The interior is fitted with the high-end amenities, including a full kitchen, a deluxe bathroom with heated floors, and a spacious shower, and a comfortable living area with a fireplace and reclining seats. The King Aire also has a master suite with a king-sized bed and a built-in closet, a guest room with a queen-size bed, an ensuite bathroom, and convenient features like a washer and dryer, central vacuum system, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. With a 605 horsepower engine, the King Aire delivers a smooth and stable ride and also includes advanced safety features like collision warning and lane departure assist.